Okay.
No online. Zero. Yes, room 7 and room 8. They're still having their break. Zero. No, miss. Zero. Oh, okay. Oh, one like. Oh, one. Hello. Okay. Hi. From what room are you? Oh, 5 viewers now. Hi, kids. Okay. Room 4 or room 1, number 34. Okay, don't forget to write your room number. Okay, and your number inside the room. Okay. Ang sugandata nida. Room 6. Okay. Room 6, what is your number? Okay, room 7, room 8. Shaidan, hi! I'm back. Okay, let me see. Who else? Oh, room 8, room 7. Oh, room 7 and room 8, they're very active. Okay, Kanokla. Okay, room 1. Hello, I'm Suwa Peach. Room 8. Okay. Suwa Peach, write your number. I told you last time, you need to write your room number and your number inside the room. So for example, you're in room 1, 4/1, number 2. Room, okay, how about here? Salita. Okay, room 3, number 34. Okay, Natakrit from room 6. Oh, Arista, hello, Arista. Oh, Arista number 27. Okay, Kun. So, there are 49 students who are online now. More to go. Did you miss science? Did you miss teacher? Who missed teacher? Okay, who are here? Room 5. Room 8. Number 34 from room 1. Tanyawit. So there are 60 students now.
Yeah.
66. Yes, hello Tirat. You need to write your number and of course your room. "75 students. Number 6, Pachari 1. 79 students, 80 students. Okay, hurry up.
Room 7 come.
Yes, Miss. Room 7, room 8, come. Room 7 and room 8, VIP students. Come. Did you read me? Oh, what's your name? Your name is in Thai, so I can't read your name. Yes, Miss Arista is here already. Arista and Kun. Pater, come! Pater! The first line, Miss. August! I think Pawin is not yet here. Pawin, Rio. Rio, yes, Miss. Rio. Rio! Leo. Where is Rio? Rio and Pawin, are you there? Number 29, Waramit. Oy, Waramit. Number 1 and 2. Okay, from room 1, the twins. students, number 1 and number 2. Oh, I'm so hungry. Hoy, you did not take your break? 10 minutes, why you did not eat? You have 10 minutes break before science. Okay, 144 students. Okay, room 8, number 10. Wirada. Kit E Chanel. Teacher Wang, yes. But what's your number and your room? Nirat, oy, Nirat is here. Oy, Nirat. Happy with number 47. Hula. Natasha from room 8, number 22. Gerard from room 6. Oy, Alice, number 28, room 8. Surawit, number 12 from room 7. Look is what? Oy, what is it? Wurachut, number 29 from room 4. Ing from room 7, number 22. So it's already 173 students. Happy with, oy, Book and Big, the twin brothers from room 7. Okay, number 45 from room 3. Number 9 from room 1. Okay, some students did not write your room number. And of course, your number inside the room. Read me, please. Oh, I'm reading now, but your name is in Thai. Oy, Punch! Okay, Punch in room 7. It's already 180 students, 20 more students before we can start our class. Oh, Yaya from room 7. Pepper is here now. Room 7. Room 4, okay, here. Room 1, room 7. I think Kitty is here from room 8. Prim from room 8. Okay, here. Muramit. Room number 1 and number 2 from room 1. Very active. I say my name like 2 times. Chusa. Oh, it's already 189 students. Nirat, room 7. Wow, number 44, room 7. Room 2. 196 students! Oh, 199! One more! Wait, 196, what happened to the 3 students? Why did you left? 195! 5 more! Are you excited to study? Say yes! 196. Oh, here, 195. Yaya from room 1. 5 more students. Oh, 198. 2 more. Wow, finally we are now 200 students. Okay, good morning class. Okay, so we are now going to study science. Oh, here. So before we'll start our new lesson, let's have first a review. What did we learn last week? Okay, can you type? What did we learn last week? Okay, who can remember our lesson last week? Okay. Oh, energy? Is it here, energy? Yes, energy! Okay, that is Pungsi Risat. Kung risisat. Okay, write your number and your room. It's easy for me to read. Okay, yes, we'll learn about energy. And that it's all, okay, forms of energy. Okay, how many forms of energy did we study? Okay, who can answer first? How many forms of energy? Is it 2, 3, 10? How many forms of energy? Who can answer first? Okay, Chanel, 8. Okay, very good. 8. Number 8 from room 2. 8. Very good. 6, 6, 8, 8. Oh, very good. Most of the answers are 8. Let's see if your answer is correct. Oh, very good. So there are 8 forms of energy. And here, these are the first letter in each forms of energy. So can you tell me what is number 1 form of energy? Starts with letter M. What is it? Starts with letter M. Who can answer first? From what room? Starts with letter M. What form of energy is this? Motion energy. First two answers is number 5. 35 from room 8. Very good. It's motion energy. Very good. Okay, here motion energy. Melting. Did we study melting? Okay, here, number 2 forms of energy. Starts with letter H. Starts with letter H. What do you think? Can you still remember? Starts with very good. Okay, number 1 and 2 from room 1. Heat energy, the twin brothers. Very good. Heat energy. Okay, heat energy, heat energy. Very good. How about number 3? Starts with letter L. Okay, starts with letter L. We're now in number 3. What's the answer? Yes. Oh, heat. Here. Okay, number 35, room 8. Light energy. First answer, very good. Okay, light energy. Other rooms answer also light energy. Very good. It's light energy. Number 4 starts with letter E. Starts. Okay, letter E. What is it? Starts with letter E. What forms of energy is this? Okay, here, have elastic, have electrical. Let's see if it is electrical or elastic. Okay, the correct answer is electrical energy. Very good. Okay, how about letter S? Number 5. Okay, letter S starts. Okay, letter S, sound energy. Let's see, sound energy, big. Number 12, sound energy. Okay, sound. So most of the answer is sound energy. Let's check if it is correct. Let's see. Very good. It's sound energy. Next, number 6 starts with letter G. Starts with letter G. Starts with letter G. Who can answer first?
Gravity. No.
Yeah. Okay. Gravitational energy. Number 8 from room 2. First to answer. Number 8 from room 1. Gravitational energy. Some of you beat a book from room 7. Gravitational energy. Let's check. The answer is... Okay. Gravitational energy. Very good. Okay. How about number 7? Starts... Letter M. Letter M. Oh, Ashwin is here now.
Room 1. Magnetic.
Magnetic? Okay, yes, miss. Magnetic. Room 1. Okay, magnetic. So, motion finished already. Okay, it's very good. Magnetic energy. And the last one starts. Letter E. This is the last forms of energy. Last forms of energy. Okay. Okay, it's number 22. Room 7. Elastic energy. Very good. Okay, very good, students. you can still remember our lesson last week. So this time, okay, we are still going to continue our review. Here, but before that, okay, students, okay, here, can you take a photo for this QR code? Scan the QR code. I'll give you time to scan the QR code. Students, everyone, scan the QR code. Finish? Okay. Are you done? Thumbs up if you're done scanning the QR code. No, not yet. Okay. You can scan now. Not yet. Finish? Nope. Okay. Yes. Okay, yes. Okay, let's continue our review. So this time, I will be showing pictures and you are going to tell me what forms of energy. Here. Okay, are you ready? Very easy. Okay, so show the picture, then tell me the forms of energy. This. Wait. What forms of energy is being used? Anyone? I'm back. Okay. Who can answer first? Okay. Room 2, number 8 answered sound. Okay. Number 8 from room 1, sound. Sound. Okay, sound. Let's see if the answer is sound. Okay, very good. Correct. It's a sound energy. Next. How about this? Well, look at here. Throwing of ball. What forms of energy? There are 8 forms of energy, but this picture shows what forms of energy. Let's see. Okay, yes, Runakon. Number 34 from room 6 answered gravitational energy. Okay, yes, here from number 18 from room 3, gravitational. Let's see. Okay, some of you answered motion, motion, sound. Let's see if it is gravitational, motion, or sound. The answer is, okay, it's gravitational energy. Okay, very good. Okay, room 1 also, number 34 answered gravitational energy. Next picture. What is this? Use what forms of energy? Okay. What forms of energy? Okay. Here, gravitation. Room 6? Elastic. Okay. Room 6. Yes. Room 6 answered elastic energy. Here. Number 11 also from room 3 answered elastic. Okay. Here. Number 28, room 1. Number 1 from room 8, elastic. So most of you answered elastic. Oh, there's still one student. Number 4 from room 7 answered motion energy. This one, oh, Ashwin, let me see your answer. Oh, you did not write your answer. You just write answer. Ashwin, room 1. There's no answer. Okay, you answer first, giraffe. Okay, here, the correct answer is elastic energy. Very good, students. Here, more. How about this picture? Okay. What form of energy? Okay, here, Ashwin answered motion. Let's see. Elastic. Okay, it's late. It's from room 1, number 7. It's motion. Motion, motion. Let's see if it is motion. Okay, very good. It's motion energy. Let's continue. How about this? This picture, what forms of energy? Niran? Room 7. Magnetic. Oh, Nirat from room 7. Okay. Chris, maybe someone help Nirat. Boy, okay, Nirat from room 7 answered. Okay, magnetic. Let's check if it is magnetic. Okay, magnetic energy. Very good. Okay, here. Okay, more students answered magnetic. Number 34 from room 1. Okay, here, motion energy, number 21. Okay, it's not motion, it's magnetic. Here, another picture. How about this? Cooking on fire. What forms of energy?
Room for number 37, heat energy.
Okay, room for number 37 answered heat energy. Okay, who else? Okay, here, most of the students heat energy. Okay, a lot of students answered heat energy. Let's see. Okay, very good. It's heat energy. Next. How about this? Oh, here. What forms of energy? Okay, who can answer first? Hurry up.
Number 34.
Okay. Okay, yes. Okay, number 34, you answered first. Motion energy. Okay, have here motion energy. Room 6 answered first. Let's see if it is motion energy. Okay, very good. It's motion energy. Okay, motion. Okay, next. How about this? What forms of energy? Anyone? Very easy.
Room 7, number 17, light energy.
Okay, room 7, room 7, number 17, answered first, light energy. Okay, some answered electrical. Okay, yes, this picture used two forms of energy. Okay, here, it's light energy, but without the electrical energy, it will not work. Here, last picture, this one. Okay, here, what forms of energy is being used? Okay, who can answer?
Room 7, number 22.
Hoy!
Cold.
Very good. Number 22, room 7. Okay, electrical energy. First to answer. Number 8, room 2 also. Okay, answered the second to answer. Okay, light energy. That's late. Okay, here. Ashwin, light. Okay, that was your answer here. Okay, here, let's see. The answer is, okay, it's electrical energy. Okay, what is the name of this object? Anyone? Can you tell me the English name of this object? Who can tell me the name? You use this one every day. You put your water, fruits, vegetables. Okay, here. Yes, number 7, room 1, answered correct. Refrigerator. Very good. Okay, here refrigerator. So, can you give me more examples of things that use electrical energy? Any things that use electrical energy. Without the electrical energy, we cannot use them. TV, number 8, room 1, very good. Fan, number 37, very good. Computer, number 34, very good. Teacher, I'm hungry. Oh, teacher also hungry. Boy. Okay, here. Washing machine, number 11, very good. Okay, this, who else? Computer, finish. Fresh, yes, refrigerator. Air conditioner, very good. Okay, no more. How about, okay, give me examples of heat energy. Heat energy. My example was cooking on fire. Can you give me more example of heat energy? Example of heat energy. Okay, waiting for the answer. Example of heat energy. Fire. Okay, correct. Fire. Microwave. Yes, microwave. Microwave use two forms of energy, electrical and heat energy. Fireplace. Very good. Oh, the twins in room 1. Burning of fire. Correct. Oven. Sun. Very good. Okay, how about, okay, elastic energy. Elastic energy, I think I gave you only 2 examples of elastic energy. Okay, 2 examples. Let's see who can remember the 2 examples of elastic energy. Very good. Number 34, room 6, slingshot. Okay, first to answer, slingshot. And number 18, room 3, rubber. But there are 2 words. Okay, here, on number 34, it's rubber band. Okay, very good. How about, okay, gravitational energy? Gravitational energy. Can you give me example? Gravitational energy. Gravitational energy. Examples of gravitational energy. Here.
Throwing a ball upward.
Yes, very good. Throwing a ball, very good. Who is this? Number 34, room 6, very active. Okay, that's correct. Throwing a ball. Waterfall, yes, very good. So all the things that we throw, it will fall down. So it will not go up. All the things, anything that is being thrown, it will fall down. It will stay on land. And here, so this is only a review. Today, we are still going to learn more about energy. Here, so after learning the forms of energy, today we are going to learn, read together, sources of energy. Okay, read together. Who can guess how many sources of energy? Forms of energy, there are 8. How about sources of energy? Where do we get the energy? How many sources of energy? Or if you read your science book, you can answer this question. Okay, number 37 answered 5. Okay, 5. Have 8, that is the forms of energy. 6. Okay. 2, 6, 3, 5. 3 sources, 6 sources. Let's see if how many sources of energy. Here. Okay, type 1 to 10. It's here. Waramit. Okay, the twins. Oh, you did not write your answer. Here. There are 4 sources of energy. So number 1, it's sun. Number 2, wind. Number 3, flowing water. And number 4, fuel. Okay, again, read together. Sources of energy. 1, sun. 2, wind. 3, flowing water. And 4, fuel. Okay, remember these 4 sources of energy. See? Wait. What is number 1? Who can tell me what is number 1 source of energy? You see, what's number 1? What's number 1 source of energy? Who can answer first? Okay, fuel, sun, Sun, sun. Let's see if it is sun. Oy, oy. Okay, here. Teacher forgot. Okay, so yes, it's sun. Okay. Oh, how about number 2? Number 2. How about number 2? If number 1 is sun, how about number 2? Okay, who can answer? Wind. Oh, number 32 from room 6. Wind. Very good. Wind. Oh, grade 4. Good in memory. Oh, so there are 271 students here. Okay, it's wind. Very good. How about number 3? What's number 3? Number 3? What's number 3? Okay, here, number 32 from room 6 answered first. Flowing water. Number 6 of room 7, flowing water. Ooh, very good. Flowing water. How about the last? Number 4. Here, number 4 sources of energy. Number 4 sources of energy, it's... Okay, number 22 from room 7. Very good. Fuel. Okay, number 14 from room 4. Fuel. Okay, very good. Let's read one more time. Okay, this is sun. This is wind. This is flowing water. And this is fuel. So we are going to learn each sources of energy. And here. So this is sun. So here, do we have sun today? Can you see sun outside in your house? Okay, piggy book. Here is, let's read together, is our main source of energy. It gives us heat and light energy. So there are 4 sources of energy. But the main source of energy is the sun. The sun is very important source of energy. Okay, it gives us 2 energy, light and heat energy. What will happen to us if there is no sun? Okay, let's me who can answer it first. What will happen to us if there is no sun? Okay, what will happen to us? No sun. Just imagine, no sun. Teacher is waiting for your answer. We will die. Number 32. Very good. Yeah, it's cold without the sun. Yes. We will freeze to death. Very good. Okay. Wuramit cannot see. Yes, of course we cannot see because without the sun, outside will be very dark. Who else? Only few students answered. Cold, can't see. Okay, yes, very good. So, the sun is very important to us. No sun, all of us will die. It will be cold and it will be very dark. And this is how important is the sun to the plant. Why do you think plant needs the sun? Why? Why the plants need the sun? Okay, here teacher is waiting for your answer. Why the plants need the sun? I am waiting for your answer. Why the sun? Make food. Number 1 and 2. Very good from room 1. Make food. To make food. Number 32 from room 3. Very good. Number 37 from room 4. Very good. Make food. Okay, here. Plants. Everyone, let's read together. Plants use the light energy of the sun to make food for all living things. So without the light energy of the sun, the plants cannot make food. If the plants cannot make food, there is no food for us, people and animals. So all of us will die. And here, so the plants also doesn't need only sun in making food. There are three things that the plants needed in order it can make food. Okay, first is the light coming from the sun. What else? What are the other two needed by the plants in order it can make food? Sunlight. What are the two? Let's see. Who can answer? Sunlight. Teacher is waiting for your answer. Water, very good. Water. Water. And air, very good. What kind of air? What kind of air? Here. Okay, number 34. Very good. Carbon dioxide and water. So carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight, it's needed by the plant in order it can make food. So the plants will grow, it will bear flowers and fruits and give food to people and animals. And of course, here, the light energy is given to the plants. So the plants will grow. The plants will be eaten by the cow. So the cow gets its energy from the plants. And here, the cow will produce meat. And who will eat the meat? Of course, the people. So here, the primary source of our energy is the sun. Without the sun, no plants, no cow. And of course, no human. All of us will be died. And here, this one. The sun gives light to the plant. The plant gives food to the snail. The snail will be eaten by the frog. And the frog will be eaten by the fox. What if there is no sun? What will happen to these four living things if there is no sun? Who can answer? If there is no sun, what will happen to plant, snail, frog, and fox? What will happen to them? Okay, what will happen to them? Die. Okay, very good. Number 1 and 2 from room 1. Of course, all of these living things will die. So this is how the energy is being transferred. So the primary source of energy is the sun, and because of the sun, the plants and animals, they are going to live. So that's how important is the sun. So here, that is number 1 source of energy, sun. Let's go on to number 2. What is number 2? Who can still remember the number 2 source of energy? Oh, teacher is waiting. Wait, why so many people? I want sleep, hungry, and boring. Wait, boring. Teacher here, full of energy. Okay, here. Oh, wind. Very good. Number 8, room 2. So let's go to wind. Wait, it's dark. Okay. Here, wind. Everyone, let's read together. The energy of wind is used in windmills to generate electricity. And these are the windmills, or you can call it also wind turbines. So these windmills will not move without the energy coming from the wind. So these windmills can produce electricity. So some other places, okay, they get their energy from the wind turbines. So that's how important is the wind. So no electricity from the windmills without the wind. So the wind energy help the windmills to produce electricity. So this one, it will keep on moving. Okay. Next. Number 3. Okay, here. It's flowing water. Okay, let's read together. Everyone, the energy of flowing water is used to generate electricity in hydroelectric power station. So energy of the wind help the windmills to produce electricity. The flowing water in the river can produce also electricity. How? Okay, here. This is in the river. Can you see? The water flow very fast and it's strong. And here there is a dam here. There's a dam. A dam, it's a barrier between the water here. So the water will stop here. And what will happen here? So this is the hydroelectric power station. The water will flow here and it's very strong. The power of water can turn the turbine here. When the turbine turns, the generator will move also. So when the generator will move, electricity will be produced. So without the water here, this turbine here will not move. So that's how the flowing water in the river is very important. So this is how the electricity is being produced. Okay, here. So this is the third form as sources of energy. Next, what is number 4 forms of energy? What is the number 4 forms of energy? This is the last form of the last source of energy. Fuel from number 36. Very good. Fuels. Okay, let's read together. When fuels are burnt, they release energy. So if the fuel will not be burned, no energy will be formed. So these are the different examples of fuels that release energy. Here, this one is firewood. So when we burn the the wood, so there will be a heat energy. And not only heat energy, of course, there will be a light energy as well. Next example, here. Okay, so when you grill meat, when you grill beef, chicken, or pork, so you are going to use coal or a charcoal. So this one, so you will have a food. Okay, this one, okay, you use this one in your houses. Most of us use this. This is an LPG. We use in cooking in our house. So LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, this one, because of LPG, we were able to cook food easily. So here, firewood, coal, and LPG are the 3 examples of fuels. And here, okay, this one. So if you have cars, you go to gasoline station. The car cannot move without diesel and petrol. Okay, these are used to run vehicles. So without diesel and petrol, the cars, all the cars cannot move. But here, some of the cars, they are already electric cars. But most of the cars nowadays use diesel and petrol. So if people, we need energy for food, okay, the cars, they need also energy, but not the food that we are going to eat. It's a different energy which is called diesel and petrol. Oh, did you understand? Understand? Yes or no? Oh, sleepy already? Sleepy? Understand? Yes or no? Yes. Oy, one yes. Only one, understand? Oh, very good. Room 1, number 1 and 2. That wins. Yes. Yes. Oh, very good. Okay, if teachers speak fast, just tell me. Okay? Yes, yes. Okay, very good. Sleep, sorry. Oh, it's not time to sleep. After class, after 3:30, you can sleep. Oh, let's continue. And here, okay. Let's read together. Fossil fuels. Okay, everyone, fossil fuels, they were formed when trees and remains of sea animals and plants got buried millions years ago. So you keep studying about fossil fuels. So these are non-renewable resources because they are made million years ago. And the two examples of fossil fuels is coal and petroleum. So this is coal and this is petroleum. So people, okay, here the coal, we can get this one underground. And petroleum, we can get this one in the middle of the ocean, under the ocean floor, from the sea floor. So there is a video, but I think we don't have time anymore to watch the video. Well, let's have, how many minutes left? Okay, this one. This is how the coal, the people get the coal underground.
Man has used coal as a fuel for over 3,000 years, and it remains one of the world's most vital natural resources. It generates more than 40% of the world's electricity, and every year we go through 6 billion tons. Somehow, mines must ensure a constant supply, or our cities would be plunged into darkness and industries would grind to a halt. So, how do they do it? Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This industrial East Coast city is famous for steel production and shipbuilding.
Oh, you watch the video, how people get coal underground. Oh, I watched this in TV. Okay, nice.
This is the largest underground mining complex in North America. And every year it produces more than 20 million tons of coal. There are millions of dollars invested in this vast complex, and with more than 200 men working underground at any one time, keeping it running is a major logistical challenge. At 4 in the afternoon, the day shift clocks off after 8 hours of hard work, while the next shift makes its way into one of the lift cages to begin the 650-foot descent into the mine. Mining is one of the toughest jobs imaginable, and there's an unspoken bond between these men who spend every working day deep underground. Once they arrive at the bottom
people
of the
will
shaft,
go
they still
underground.
face a long journey to the coal face. After almost 20 years of continuous mining, a vast network of underground tunnels now extends for an extraordinary 35 square miles. The miners face a 5-mile journey to get to the section currently being mined. It's a cramped and uncomfortable ride aboard one of the mine's small trains as the cars rattle their way through the maze of dark tunnels, following a network of rails that are now so busy they require traffic lights. First up is a monster machine known as a continuous miner. Armed with a 16-foot cutting drum, this ferocious beast chomps away at the seam, carving out a series of access tunnels. As it bores its way forward, it feeds the coal behind it to a crab-like loader and shuttle car. The continuous miner produces up to 5 tons of coal every minute, more than a miner in the 1920s produced in a whole day. But its job is actually to prepare the way for the real monster, the long-wall shearer. Armed with a set of teeth to put a Tyrannosaurus to shame, its cutting edge is over 1,000 feet long, and it can smash an amazing 50 tons of coal out of the seam every minute. Think about it. That's almost 1 ton of coal every second, enough to meet all the energy needs of an average household for 78 days. But there are 3 million tons of coal in this 13-foot-high seam. Despite its ferocious appetite, it will still take 6 months of shuttling back and forth before it is finished digging it all out. Before the coal is fit for shipping, they first need to remove rock, soil, and contaminants, which account for up to 30% of the raw feed. So the material is fed via conveyor into the processing plant. To ensure it's all properly processed, it's first graded according to size. Next, to separate the coal from the waste rock, it's fed into this giant flotation tank. Because the rock is heavier than the coal, it sinks to the bottom where it can be removed while the coal floats to the surface. It's now soaking wet, so just like your whole laundry, they load it into a spin dryer. This industrial dryer spins the coal at high speed until excess water is removed. This water is then fed into vast tanks where the contaminants are removed before being disposed of as waste slurry. Meanwhile, the different sized pieces of coal are recombined, crushed into a uniform mix, and fed into a giant hopper. Incredibly, just 15 minutes after entering the plant, it's ready for transport by rail. As they park beneath the hopper, a controller opens a chute to allow 6 tons of coal to fill each car. Once full, every train is able to transport over.
Okay, so this video shows us that, okay, the process how people get coal, okay, underground. So this is the coal mine. So the miners here, they have a difficult job because can you imagine? You are going to work underground and it's very dark. So these are the coal. So in America, they use coal to generate electricity. So next video, how to get petroleum under the sea. So this one, the coal, it comes from dead trees. Next, watch this video.
How does the deep-sea drilling vessel P.4 drill into the seafloor? When the vessel arrives at the drilling site, it receives a satellite signal that helps the vessel move into the exact position required. The vessel has 6 propellers that rotate a full 360 degrees and keep the vessel in one position, preventing it from drifting due to the wind, waves, or sea current. First, the conductor pipe is installed. As the drill pipes are connected, the conductor pipe and guide are run down to the seafloor. After the conductor pipe penetrates the seafloor, the drill pipe is released and pulled back to the vessel. A large drill bit connected to the bottom of the drill pipe is run down to the seafloor. The drill bit is led down to the bottom of the hole through the conductor pipe. The drill bit rotates and drills the sediment and rock below the seabed. Seawater is sprayed from nozzles on the drill bit to raise the cuttings to the seafloor. After drilling several hundred meters, the drill bit is pulled back to the vessel. A casing pipe about 50 centimeters in diameter is set into the drilled hole to keep it from collapsing. The casing pipe is run down through the conductor pipe and is inserted into the hole using the drill pipe. Cement is pumped into the space between the hole and the casing pipe to fix the pipe in place. After cementing, the drill pipe is released and pulled back to the vessel. The TQ is equipped with the riser system in order to drill into the earth even deeper. As the riser pipes are added one after another, the blowout preventer is run down to the seafloor. The blowout preventer is connected to a wellhead which is located on top of the casing pipe. The vessel is now connected to the
Okay, so this is the process how the people will get petroleum under the sea. So it's a very deep. So there is a tube here. It's a very long tube. So then the petroleum will go up here. So this one, the petroleum, it comes from dead sea animals and plants. So today we'll learn about sources of energy. So how many sources of energy? How many sources of energy? Can you tell me? There are, okay, why? Number 22, number 7. Oh, it's not, that is not the answer. Here. How many? Okay, number 32, room 6, 4. Very good. There are four sources of energy. What is number 1? Okay, students, what is number 1 sources of energy? We have, what is number 1 sources of energy? Okay, room 8, number 35. Okay, now answered sun. Very good. Sun. Okay, very good. What is number 2 sources of energy? If 1 is sun, what is number 2? Wind. Very good. Number 47, room 7, wind. Okay, who else? Wind. Room 7, Nirat. Oy, Nirat. Someone help you, Nirat? Okay. How about number 3? If 1 is sun, number 2 is wind. What is number 3? Number 3 is? Okay, room 3, number 32, answered flowing water. Very good. Flowing water. Okay, how about number 4? Oh, the last sources of energy. Number 4. Fuel. Okay, very good. But your name is in Thai and you did not write your room number. Okay, fuel. Okay. So here, number 1 is sun. Number 2 is wind. Number 3 is flowing water. And number 4 is fuel. Okay, so we still have 5 minutes left. Okay, here, there are some questions here. Here. This is a song. We will sing this one next week. Okay, here. This, everyone, read together. This is used in windmill to generate electricity. What sources of energy? What's the answer? Used to generate electricity. Okay, for the windmills. Okay, answered wind. Okay, wind. Okay, very good. The answer is wind. Next. Let's read together. These are used to run vehicles. So without this, you cannot use your bicycle, your cars. Okay, what we are going to use in order we can use them. There are two used to run vehicles. Two answers. Yes, what's the name of fuel? Yeah, it's fuel, but what's the name? Specific name of fuel. To answer, start with D.
So saying number 3 to the diesel and petroleum.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Okay, okay, here the answers are diesel and petrol. Okay, next question. Let's read together. They were formed when trees and remains of sea animals and plants buried million years ago. What is this? Two words. The answer is two words. Okay, coal. It's not coal. Two words. Here, number 22, sun. Sun. Fuel. This. Okay, I'm waiting for the correct answer. Sun. Fossil. Two words. Fossil. There is another word. Fossil. Okay, some answered fossil, some answered fuel. The answer is fossil fuels. Okay, here, this will be the last question. Okay, everyone, let's read. These are from Dead Sea animals and plants. From Dead Sea animals and plants. What's the answer? Okay, here, number 32, room 6, answered petroleum. Very good. Okay, so that's all for today. It's end already. Time's up. And I will see you again next week. Goodbye, grade 4 students.